Splashing around. Learn English descriptions of rivers, lakes, and oceans. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going on a virtual journey to explore the English vocabulary used to describe different types of geographical water bodies, rivers, lakes, and oceans. These types of places are not only beautiful, but they're also essential to life on Earth, making them great conversation topics. So, let's dive in. Rivers are large, flowing bodies of water that usually empty into a sea or ocean. They can be described based on their size, speed, location, and appearance. For example, the Amazon River is often referred to as a large, powerful river that runs through South America. It's known for its murky waters, which are due to the sediment it carries. When we talk about rivers, we often use verbs like flow, run, meander, and cut through. For example, the Sarine River meanders through the lush, green valley. Lakes, on the other hand, are usually enclosed bodies of water. They can be found in a variety of landscapes, from mountains to deserts. Lakes can be described by their size, depth, clarity, surroundings, and color. Lake Tahoe, for example, is known as a large, deep lake with crystal-clear waters, surrounded by snow-capped mountains. In our sentences, we may use verbs like sit, nestle, and reflect. For example, the tranquil lake sits at the foot of the majestic mountains, reflecting the clear blue sky. Oceans are the largest bodies of water, covering about 70% of the Earth's surface. We can describe them based on their size, depth, color, temperature, and the marine life they support. For instance, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean, known for its rich marine life. It can be cold near the poles but warm near the equator. Common verbs we use when talking about oceans include cover, stretch, team with, and lap against. For instance, the vast ocean stretches as far as the eye can see, its waves lapping against the distant shores. And that's it for today, folks. We've just learned how to describe rivers, lakes, and oceans in English. Whether you're sharing your latest holiday adventure or reading geographical texts, these phrases and descriptors will undoubtedly come in handy. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try to use these words and phrases in your daily conversations or writing. Until next time, happy learning!